Hey guys, my name is Gabriel Cuesta, and today I'm going to be doing number 3 from chapter quiz 25. Number 1 says there's a power rating of 400 ohms and a resistor of 0.800 watts. A, find the maximum voltage that can be applied across this resistor without damaging it, and B, the maximum current this resistor can draw without damaging it. So we're going to use this formula that we're given. P is equal to V squared over R. We're looking for V, so we're going to put R over where P is. Then we're going to square root it, right? And we have our values, 400 ohms times 0.800 watts. We put that in the calculator. It gives us 17.9 volts. And for part B, okay, this is part A. Let's do part B. Part B, we have this formula right here. I is equal to V over R. We're looking for the maximum current. So we're just going to plug and play here. We already got V over here. We're going to put 17.9 volts over 400 ohms. And we put that in the calculator, and it gives us 0.045 amperods. That is question number 3 for chapter quiz 25. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.